so boom, the wig was tight. You heard me? So now, she just struggling it on my head because my head is fucking big. But enough of that. She putting the glue, you heard me? Sticky fingers, sticky fingers. Then, you heard me? She blow drying it. That shit was hot as hell. Felt like I had an iron on my head. She putting that elastic band on it. It fell out. Oh. Okay, she putting it on there again. She trying to get her pore straight. Using that Cara wax stick. Got to do that. Put that hot ass on, what it's called? Hot comb on my head. Was almost about to burn my scalp. I thought we was about to have to call a fire. Fire. Fire marshals, whatever. But yeah, so boom. She flattening the wig, you know what I'm saying? This is 18-inch 4x4 wig. You got to know that. It's off Amazon. Y'all know I fuck with Amazon. You heard me? It was from a company called HaoSheng. It was the 18-inch 4x4, like I say. It's 150% density, yes. But I ain't even gonna lie. I felt a little skimp. But the longer the inch, you know how they go. But yeah, let's get back hopping to this. So I like the hell, whatever the case may be. But I was falling asleep in a chair. I was tired. Then I looked so mad and angry. Girl, what's wrong with you? Life ain't that hard, girl. What's wrong? Just got them lashes done. Is fleeky. Yes, get into it. So yeah, she curling my hair, whatever the case may be. Curling me up like Curly Sue. Got to know that. Yay. So anyways, I want to thank the company for sending me out this 18-inch 4x4 wig. I love the, how it came out, because I had to put it to the side because I didn't want to do no bust down middle part with no small inches like that, because at the end of the day, I wouldn't want to cut up out, and then it would have been giving skimpy. So, I just opt out and went to the side and did a side part, because y'all know I'm not a middle part girl, empty wigs. But yeah, she's still curling me. Guys don't know she's still curling me. Girl, what you getting for back though? Okay, she's still curling me. But anyways, yeah, y'all go shop with HaoSheng. Girl, I'm saying this company name wrong. Okay, well, at the end of the day, I'm gonna put their name in the description. Y'all shop with them if y'all want a quick little, you know what I'm saying, or whatever like that. Get your wigs, ladies. Step your wig game up. 2022. What is you saying? But yeah, this girl still curling me up. Like, she's still curling me up. Girl, I put it in fast speed and she's still curling me up. But yeah, all right, let's get into the baby hairs, because y'all know I can't do that. She plucking, I can't do that either. Flame me out, sister. Yep. Look at me, big lip ass. Okay. Yay, got a little penny curl on the side. Okay, she doing my baby hairs. Okay, with the little small flat iron. Yeah, about to get up edges fleeky, because y'all know I give great value, baby hairs. But yeah, learn a little something from right there. Yay. Girl, where you in there? Come back, girl. Oh, okay. So yeah, she fleeking my, edges. Got to do that. Yay. Girl, y'all, I ain't never do no voiceover, but I feel like it's giving. Like, it's giving. But girl, I don't like to hear myself. But at the end of the day, girl, I hate them hard ass toothbrushes. Like, girl, come on, get a new toothbrush. Like, what? It's hard. I feel like you scraping my scalp. Put the scarf on me, yay. Yep. She fluffing it out, giving it a little volume. Yay. Girl, I'm asleep. Girl, I know you fucking lying. Mouth open and everything. Girl, ooh, look at me, girl. That's a bad bitch. Don't play with me. Ooh, yay. Ooh, put that concealer. Okay, gotta know that's fine. Got to know that. Girl, look at me thinking I'm cute. It's cute. Don't play with me. Girl, what you just spray? I ain't catch that one. Girl, look at me from the side. Side views. Face card. Yay. All the way. Don't play with me. Don't play with her. Yeah, my little partner did her thing. Don't play. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Until next time.